While Google's flagship Pixel phones are pretty popular, there is a different craze for the budget Pixel phones. It started with the Pixel 3a series in 2019, which featured a similar design as the high-end Pixel 3 series, but with some cost cuttings to bring the price down. One of the highlights of these budget Pixel phones is the camera, because Google tries to offer the same camera experience as its high-end Pixel devices. Last year we got the Google Pixel 6a, which was priced the same as the Pixel 5a. And for the same price, the 6a offered a similar design as Pixel 6, a Google Tensor chip inside, solid cameras, and stock Android experience. The Google Pixel 7a has been in the news for quite some time, and as usual, we expect the phone to launch at the Google I/O 2023 in May. We have seen the phone's images in the past, but today we have perhaps our best look at the Pixel 7a yet. As we can see, the phone looks identical to the Google Pixel 7 from the back. There is the same camera bar, and as per the source, this camera bar is made of metal. In fact, the phone has a glass back and a metal frame, which means there is no compromise in the build quality. There is a dual camera setup on the back, and we can also see some sort of pattern underneath that glass back. We are not sure though whether this would be there in the final product, because these images show a prototype and not the final product. Anyways, on the front we can see the flat screen with quite chunky bezels all around. This was the case with the Pixel 6a as well. The selfie camera is placed inside a hole punch cutout, and the fingerprint scanner is present under the display. The phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but that is not a surprise anymore. And well, that is all about the design of the Pixel 7a. As for the specifications, we do know that the phone has Google Tensor G2 chipset, which powered the Pixel 7 series last year. There is also LPDDR5 RAM paired with UFS 3.1 storage. This year, Google is also upgrading the camera hardware as per a source. So instead of the same old 12MP Sony IMX363 sensor, the Pixel 7a is set to have a Sony IMX787 sensor for the primary camera. The ultra-wide camera has a Sony IMX712 sensor. Now if this information is correct, then it would mean a significant improvement in camera performance, which is already amazing in the Google Pixel phones. The Pixel 7a also has support for wireless charging, but it is limited to 5W. Well, with all these upgrades, we can expect the price to be higher than the Pixel 6a. But last year we saw the Pixel 6a launching at the same price as the Pixel 5a. So if Google somehow manages to do the same this year, then the Pixel 7a would be a killer mid-range phone for sure. What do you think? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.